Oh my gosh, what is this? This is your Dyson hairdryer filter? Is this dust? Hair? A whole ecosystem? No wonder it's been acting like a weak electric fan instead of a powerful styling tool. And yes, it's absolutely disgusting. Your Dyson didn't sign up for this. It's suffocating. Clogged filters mean weak airflow, overheating, and eventually, the dreaded click of death. Alright, here comes the DIY phase. You've watched one tutorial, you've got zero experience, but hey, how hard can it be, right? The I can totally fix this myself moment. Until, oops, you miss a step. Or worse, you break something. One wrong move and suddenly you're not fixing the filter. You're creating more problems. Misdiagnosis, breaking internal parts, or worse, ending up with a completely dead hairdryer. Congrats, now you're really stuck. Instead of risking a full-on Dyson disaster, let the experts handle it. You don't have to struggle. That's where RoboCare comes in. We specialize in diagnosing and repairing all things Dyson, including that crucial filter. No guesswork, no DIY disasters, just expert care to get your Dyson working like new. Our process includes a thorough inspection of the motor and heating element to ensure no secondary damage has occurred due to overheating. Once cleaned, we rigorously test the dryer to guarantee optimal performance and airflow. Our team carefully disassembles the unit, cleans each component with precision, and reassembles it to factory specifications. So, if your Dyson is struggling, don't gamble with DIY disasters. Let us bring it back to life.